Hello and welcome to another ROFFS weekly ocean conditions update for the week of June 24th, 2025 for the Gulf of America / Gulf of Mexico. We're looking at an overall ocean color image here taken from Sunday and Monday of this week. It's pretty clear and you could see pretty well what's going on. Down here you have the loop current, Florida current, way down south of the northeast of the Yucatan, south of the Tortugas. Looks like a newly formed loop current eddy, centered down here, down to the south, way off to the southwest of Tampa. The northern side of this eddy, it's pulling some cleaner blue water up in here towards the Lloyd's Ridge. And all of this water is being circulated up and over the area south of the DeSoto Canyon, south of the Double Nipple, all the way over Atwater Valley, south of Mississippi River Delta, into the Mississippi Canyon, and then back off southwestward, south of the Green Canyon area, due to several counterclockwise and clockwise rotating eddies that are labeled up in here. One to the southwest Atwater Valley, one southeast of Mississippi Canyon, one south of the DeSoto Canyon, and a couple off down here to the south offshore of the Green Canyon. Nice blue water up in Mississippi Canyon. There is a lot of green water to the east of the Delta, in towards the Viosca Knoll, Marlin Rig, Petronius, Ram Powell, out over the steps. This water is being circulated all the way out offshore, pretty far south of the Double Nipple and into the DeSoto Canyon by a counterclockwise rotating eddy that's centered southwest of the spur that's been in there for a couple of weeks now. There are some nice edges. There was a lot of a nice blue marlin caught in the Emerald Coast tournament associated with this water offshore last weekend. And I do know there were some nice tuna action in towards the Fads and towards the spur in the DeSoto Canyon here in this cleaner green, blue-green water last weekend on Friday, Saturday as well. Off of Tampa, you can see here there's an abundance of blue water extending all the way up over the steps towards the box and towards the Florida Middle Grounds. A couple of eddies up in here, counterclockwise rotating eddy circulating the nicer, cleaner blue water up towards the area southeast of Cape San Blas. Two opposite rotating eddies here, one south of Vernon Basin, counterclockwise, one clockwise up towards the box. That's circulating this cleaner blue water all the way in up here to the east of Lloyd's Ridge over the ledges, which then continues to blend the blended blue and blue-green as you move up here further northwestward to westward, south of the Madison, Swanson, Johnny Walker areas, up over the wings, the squiggles, southern side of the unexploded ordnance towards the spur, and in here southwestward towards the steppes region. This water up in this region isn't as clean as the water further off to the southwest here, but this time of the year, most of the water in this region is 85 to 87 degrees Fahrenheit, and there should be some action associated with the cleaner green to blue-green water, where you can find these edges meeting this dirtier green water at this time of the year. Conditions look good. Like I said, south of DeSoto Canyon, all the way over across Devil's Tower, Thunderhawk, Thunder Horse, all the way over towards the dump site into the Mississippi Canyon, into the Green Canyon, and also inshore, Ewing Bank, Diaphanous Bank, inshore, Green Canyon, all have nice blue water. Looking towards the west, you have a clockwise rotating eddy far to the south, a counterclockwise rotating eddy in here, with a little bit of a clockwise circulation north of it. Nice clean blue water all the way up Brazos Santiago Pass, southwest of Aransas Pass, all the way up Colt 45, Texas Canyon. You have an eddy here circulating bluer water inshore towards the Baker's Knoll, Baker's Riggs, Big Southern, Aransas Bank, all the way down towards the Fireman's Hole area. You have some nice edges, cleaner blue water, and pretty close, and as close as 20-30 fathoms in some areas offshore southeast of Aransas. Much different conditions from last year when there was a lot of green water. Conditions to the west look nice. Nice blue water over East Breaks, in towards Flower Gardens, in towards the dumping grounds here to the north, and over towards the Auger Rig, southeast of Flower Gardens. Overall, I mean, looking at this image, there are some areas of green water south to the east and of the Mississippi River Delta. Probably a little greener than normal. You got to get further offshore to find the cleaner blue water. Offshore at Tampa, blue water seems to be in closer than normal. Offshore in the Western Gulf off of Aransas, the blue water seems to be in closer than normal. But overall, conditions look very good, very favorable, and there are a lot of favorable conditions for tuna, wahoo, dolphin, and billfish. That's about it for this week. We'll come at you again in 2 weeks. Good luck to everybody fishing the Bay Point Bowfish Open this week out of Destin. There's been some big fish caught in the past couple of weeks. Good luck to all our clients fishing the tournament this weekend. Remember to follow us on our social media at ROFFS Fishing on Facebook and Instagram. And you can order 24/7 online on our website, www.roffs.com. That's it. Tight lines and stay safe out there. Thank you.